Yes, hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. In this video we are talking about Kegel exercises, what they are and how to do Kegel exercises. Kegels. So what are Kegel exercises? Kegels are exercises for your pelvic area. They help you to exercise your pelvic muscles. Exactly. This is done maybe after you've given birth, or even before you've given birth, or if you feel loose, because as you grow, as you age, you loosen. Your V muscles loosen up and your elasticity reduces. So every time you do those Kegel exercises, whether you are a man or a woman, it helps you. So the easiest way to do Kegel exercises is to take a lot of water, liquids. Drink all the time. Drink water, drink tea, drink juice, drink. Eat fruits that have a big high water retention. Yes. Why do we do this? You do this because it will help you to go, it will cause you to go to for a short call to pee all the time. Here we are looking at effectivity. Now when you reach the toilet, when you are passing out your urine, this is what you do, whether you are a man or a woman. What we are going to do is Kegel exercises. What I'm telling you how to do is how to do Kegel exercises. Yes. For the men, this is what Kegel exercises help you. They help you to tighten your muscles, your penile muscles more. You know, as you age, especially for the men who have done masturbation a lot, who have aged, who have advanced in age, your penile muscles weaken. You never have that hard-on like you had before when you were still youthful, when you were still a teenager, because your penile muscles have weakened. Your penis is now weak. So when you do Kegel exercises, it also helps you to regain that stamina. I'm explaining how a man does Kegel exercises. When you go to pass out urine, or when you go to susu, to urinate, whatever you call it, to pee, when you pass out urine for 2 seconds, you hold it for 1 second. Release 2 seconds. Hold it for 3 seconds. Hold it. Hold. Then later you start even to feel like they are paining. You start to feel that cramp in your penis paining. Then you release. Then you do it again. Release slowly. And through the day, if for example you take a lot of water and you pee maybe 10 or 15 times or even more, those are the number of times you've exercised. So the more you do it, the more you take a lot of water, the more you pass out urine, the more you will do the Kegel exercise. The more you will do, the more you will firm your penis or penile muscles. This is just in the beginning to train you that you can do it even if you are not drinking water or in the toilet. That strength you use to hold your pee, to hold your urine, is what is training your muscle, is what we are calling the Kegel exercise. You are training your muscles to be firm, to be strong. The going to the toilet and releasing, holding is just to train you how to do this. But even after that session is over, you can get used to doing it. For example, when you Like when you're peeing, you decided to pee and you hold, you pee and you hold. It is a way of training yourself so that even when you are not doing it, you are not in the toilet, you can do it. You hold it and you release. You imagine like you're in the toilet sussling or urinating. Let me show you how you do it. You see, like here, you hold. I think when you hold, for the men, a friend of mine told me you can just hold, then release. It helps you to train your muscles, your penile muscles. You are kegeling, you are driving, you are walking, you are exercising. Whatever you do your Kegel exercises. I told you Kegel exercises for men or women are to train your pelvis, your pelvic area, in front and in the back. Because trust me, the more you masturbate, you use a lot of force on your penis, the more you age, your penile muscles, your penis muscles weaken, they loosen. So you start to get a hard on in your head, but when actually the real thing is very weak. So that's the whole essence of Kegel exercises for men. So I hope you have understood my explanation well. So now please subscribe to my channel, Your Girl Nora. Follow me on Facebook, my page is called Nora, and on Instagram, I am Nora. It's I am, then the _, then Nora. I am Nora. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section if you've understood. And as for the ladies, same thing. You are going to train yourself by taking a lot of water. Drink a lot of water so that you go to the loos, to the toilet, to pass out urine, to susu, to pee many more times. And when you are peeing, release, hold. You know, like the way you hold, you know, the easiest exercises to train your tummy is to suck it in. How you ladies train yourself to suck in your tummies any time of the day? You are walking in your stilettos, your tummy is in. You are exercising, your tummy is in. You are seated, your tummy is in. Same thing. You are going to train yourself to do your Kegels. And the fastest way to do it, drink a lot of water. Every time you go to pass out urine, release 2 seconds, hold for 3. Release 2 seconds, hold for 5. By the time you're done, you're a week down, maybe 2 weeks down, you'll start Kegeling even without having to go to the toilet. You're driving your car and Kegeling, you're in your office Kegeling, you're taking your dogs out for a walk. So it's very easy. You just tighten, you feel tight, then you release. It's like breathing in, out, breathe in. So you can also do it without forcing. Breathe in, breathe out. You see? Have you seen anything? You haven't seen anything because it's that easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Leave me a comment in the comment section what you've learned. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.